Hey guys, just wanted to give a quick kind of demo here of this benchmarking tool that I've been working on. So the concept of this tool is effectively a way for people who like to run benchmarks, YouTube reviewers, people that write articles for different websites, whatever. It allows them to queue up several benchmarks in a row, set the program to run, and then leave and go do something else, and then come back and just have it run through all the benchmarks sequentially. So that way you don't have to come back and copy this over and hit play again and set up the game and hit play again. So right now is kind of a very simplistic form of what the program could be, but at this point I'm really just trying to get interest to see if anybody would actually use it. So in this program I already have set up GTA 5 and Tomb Raider, so both of those work. Really, it's super easy to set up. All you need to do is select your Steam path, so it's just from a file menu. Select the output path for your benchmark file, so where you want the the text files with the frame times and your results, where you want those to be saved at. Select the path to those different games, so GTA 5 and Tomb Raider, and at that point you can just hit this Run Benchmarks button, and it'll automatically run through GTA 5, it'll run through Tomb Raider, and it'll output the results in this folder. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. So you can see it says, which benchmark you're running, so it's waiting for GTA 5 to finish. You can see on this in the background here that GTA 5 is spinning up. Effectively, what I have going on right now is I'm using OBS, and I have two monitors, both kind of composed here in one view. So you should see GTA 5 running in the background here. So you can see now that Grand Theft Auto is done, I'm not clicking anything. I don't know if you can see where the mouse is, but you can see it's automatically started up Tomb Raider. So so if you had 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 benchmarks queued in a row, doesn't matter how many, it would allow you to hit the button once, completely leave, not touch anything, and then come back, and they would just all be done. Hopefully, saving people time and therefore saving people money. Cool. So now that that's done, um, you can see if I come over here and resize this window so you can actually see. So now that that's done, you can see that we have over here, we have output GTA 5 and output Tomb Raider. So if I open these up, you can see that's just the statistics from the benchmark. Each benchmark has some different statistics, some more than others, but the majority you're going to get definitely what you need to know. So the cool thing is, it's really at this point not that hard for me to come in and just keep adding more and more games to this list, as long as they have, some type of support for an in-game benchmark or command line arguments. Then on top of that, a lot of these games also have the ability to specify things like settings, what resolution you want to run at, whether or not you like what's the texture settings, so on and so forth. So you could imagine in the tool, not only can you set up multiple runs, So, you could say, hey, I want GTA 5 to run 3 times and give me the average between the 3. But on top of that, you could also say, I want it to run 3 times, once at 1080p, once at 1440, and once at 4K. Hit it once, never have to come back and touch anything, and automatically get the output from that. So hopefully this seems like a cool tool. Hopefully there's some interest in that. And if so, I could definitely, build this out for more. If you want to check it out yourself, go down into the description of this video, and there will be a link to my website where you can download it and try it for yourself. I really would like to get some feedback on it, and if you find it interesting, then hopefully more people will. Thanks.